How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, just doing a ride program. So, any alcohol or drugs for you tonight?
No, none.
Perfect, have a great night.
Boring.
All right, thank you. That's good, boring is good. Hey, how are you? Good. Good, just doing a ride program. So, any
Just
alcohol?
heading into work.
Oh.
All night.
Oh no,
Yeah.
you got chosen, eh?
Riding it out too. Well, we're making the money, I guess, right?
Yeah,
That's
good way to look at it.
right?
Yeah,
Be safe tonight.
you too, thank you.
Okay, and blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going. Okay, you're starting and stop. Okay, you're not providing.
Oh, I'm not seeing it. Okay, so I'm gonna see.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm gonna say stop. Okay, so let's try that again. And blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. No, you're starting and stopping again. Again.
I was blowing the whole time.
No, you were not. If you were blowing the whole time, we would have a sample already now, wouldn't we? So at this stage, I'm going to tell you that it's an offense to actively not provide a sample into this.
Hang on.
No, hang on.
Okay.
And that offense is the exact same offense as being arrested and charged for impaired operation. Okay? So let's try again. Okay? And blow. Keep going, keep going, more, more, more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, more, more. Great. Finally, we're at a sample. Thank you very much. That's great. Okay, so you've provided a fail, which means that you're under arrest. Now turn around. Take your hands out of your pockets.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
A little chilly, but it's okay.
I guess
So,
so.
just doing a ride program. Any alcohol for you tonight?
Absolutely not.
Great, have a good night.
Thanks. You as well.
Thank you. All right, we're just doing a ride program. Any alcohol or drugs for you tonight?
Just one drink.
How long ago was that? Hour and a half. What license class are you?
Sorry?
What license class are you? Like G2? All right, perfect. I'll just get you to pull into here. All right? All right, whenever you're ready, big deep breath in, big deep breath out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. 0. Awesome. That's all out of your system. Wonderful. Let me just I'll just quick scan your license through, make sure everything's good, and you'll be on your way.
You want to run a mail for me, please, for ID?
So if I can get your documents, and we're just going to do a sobriety check. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. 0, just like you told me it would be. There's your license back. Thank you for driving sober.
Thank you, officer.
Enjoy the rest of your evening, and I hope you're feeling better. Thank you. So tonight we conducted a mobile ride program. We'll pick a different license establishment from across the region, and we will sit there and observe people that are coming out. We will stop them to do sobriety checks. Tonight we stopped probably about a half a dozen cars. Most of the people we stopped in were behaving appropriately and driving sober. One gentleman was stopped, failed a roadside screening device, was arrested. He was transported to Central Division, where he had to provide 2 samples into an approved instrument, which turned out results of over 2 times the posted legal limit. The further investigation revealed that there are several previous impaired convictions, so there is a distinct possibility that there will be a lifetime driving ban as a result of a conviction on this charge. Next one, you should have heard this already. I demand that you provide samples of your breath that, in a qualified technician's opinion, will enable a proper analysis to be made by an approved instrument, and that you accompany me now for this purpose. Do you understand that? Mm-hmm. I'll coach you through it, okay? Whenever you're ready, deep breath, and away you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, hold up. Needs to be a little bit longer than that, okay? Okay, just give it a sec. Deep breath. Keep going, 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 keep going. That's good. Right there?
Sure it was.
There you go. Once it's done its diagnostics and that, we will plug that into the end. Another sample just like you did. That was perfect.
Yep.
And then depending on what the results are, we'll get you out of here.
Yep.
Okay? Deep breath. Where you go.
Cool.
Yep. Keep going, 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 keep going. Fantastic. So your first one, again, the first one was 196. The second one was 185. So both samples are 80 or above. So the charge tonight will be, I mean, it's up to Sergeant Mace, but there'll be a charge of 80 or above. And then you'll be very serious. I have some paperwork that I will prepare for you.